All right, it's snorkeling time, and I am going to explore this beautiful, beautiful coast here in Ayia Napa in Cyprus, and beautiful secret sea caves. So I was here in the summer, more exactly on the 1st of September, and I explored beautiful secret sea caves, starting off from Glyki Nero beach, and it's gonna be super nice. And today is 26th of December, Boxing Day, or also known as second day of Christmas. 20 degrees both in the air and in the water. So it is perfect for exploring. And it is not crowded at all, as you have seen the other videos from Cyprus. So let's first explore the secret sea caves and see what kind of sea creatures we can find. And after that, we can go also to the Bridge of Lovers as well. So, ready, set, go! So, I already arrived at the first secret cave here, and we're gonna go in now to explore. So follow me! Yes, I'm standing right here, and it's sand. Oh, there are waves. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? What a wonderful view. Hopefully there won't be any rocks tumbling down, but let's explore a bit more further. It's getting darker and darker over there. This is quite a long cave, indeed. I'm really not sure if I have visited the same one earlier this year, but it looks very scary. Super scary indeed. Look at that. Look at that. This is one of the secret sea caves here in the Ayia Napa. And the cave continues. All the way there. Okay, I think it's enough. Now let's get out before the rocks start rolling down. Alright, I think that's enough for one episode of this beautiful secret sea cave. Let's explore if I can find some more before I end up on the Bridge of Lovers. But that's a wrap for this episode from this secret sea cave, very close to Glyki Nero. So you can explore this actually both from land and sea, but I came from the beach Glyki Nero. So what a wonderful 26th of December, Boxing Day, and celebrating Christmas in this beautiful paradise. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!